Guys, welcome back again to this game. Guys, I do not do any videos on yesterday. Butcher is in Let's see. Rhino. No, you have heard bird. You will pay for what you have done to my love. What? You are the girlfriend. Your girlfriend is bird. What? Rhino's girlfriend is bird? Oh my gosh. I'm really serious. I'm not joking. Alright, Rhino, let's see your fighting skills. Oh no. Oh no. Really touched me. Oh, wow, nice skill. Go out. Wow, he can beat me so early. Boom, boom. Oh, whoa. But now is the time to give it. Go out. Oh, what? I just protected. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Going out. Whew. I'm so ridiculous that Rhino's girlfriend is bird. Ah, boo, 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 boo. Oh, it's gonna be out in this seconds. Ah. Mm. Oh, this suit is protected. What just happening? Oh, let's defeat him. Going out 2-0. So easy. Ah. Let's see what your talks. Please have mercy. Butcher does not know about our relationship. He thinks love makes you weak. Please don't tell him about us. Your fight with Herman destroyed my business. Now everyone knows the secret. I have to think of a few new plan. I'll have plenty of time for that. A ship awaits me. Farewell. Butcher is impossible. What a challenge. Ooh. I think it is Brawler again. Oh, that's ridiculous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Go out. Perfect. Just 7 seconds gameplay. Whoo! Another one. Another one. I just did it. Another one. Oh. Head. Oh no, shit. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Boom. And a headshot. And he had defeated. Pooh. Directions are actually terrible. Lucky. Actually, you're not so lucky. You're just telling you're lucky. I'm good at this game. Actually, I'm good. I'm not joking. Okay? Let's see what can do. Let's see what can you do. Oh no, storage space running out. You dummers. Ooh, wow. Actually, really good gameplay. Oh. Oh no. Oh, actually baiting me so early. Oh, dolphins. You dummers. Go out. I just wear my new cap. It's really nice. Not so new cap. Why he always beating me? Like so dumb, I guess. What's happening? Why it is hanging? What the heck? What is hanging? I open the challenge. Let's play the challenge. You have to fight without any of your weapon, helmet, armor, range weapon, and magic. That means nothing. Monkey. Oh, like monkey. Okay. That's what this. I want to hear this song. This song is worst. Boom. Go out. Ah, why you beating me so early? Look at the place of challenge. I think I lose it, barely lose. How monkey is beating me up? I don't remember. Go out right now. Dude, what's the problem? You can't defeat the monkey. Oh no, come on. What's the problem, dude? You dumber. I can also fight. Why you? Punch and kick. Oh shit, impossible guys. Why new people aren't coming? All the old people are coming your way. Oh no. Oh no. No. Bum, bum, bum. No, no. No, no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Boom. Bum, 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 bum. God. Pooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, guys. Guys. I need to play one more. Then I can go level 18. I knew it.